right, everybody, we are now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro Convertible with a Cortez silver paint job, black stripes on the hood with a black interior. As you see, we have our automatic horseshoe shifter. Most of our stock gauges are still here. Of course, most of our gauges were lights at the time. This has a manual top, very smooth cruiser, has the old-fashioned aftermarket style cassette two-knob radio, aftermarket style wheels, still has a good performance. We will test out the brakes for you right now while there's nobody around. Very good. Still have those stock steering wheel right now. What's really nice about this car is it's just a 350. Nothing wild, nothing too crazy. Still has the same manifolds on it, no headers, which is good to get you some attention. Hopefully not from those snobby HOA fees or societies, wherever you want to call them. But you can take this down the road as we're cruising right now. Smooth sound coming out the back. Very nice ride here we have at Skyway Classics. Anyway, we're going to get her turned around, get her on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.